the impact. Yeah, break it open, leaving nothing fucking intact. Hey yo, you been hacked. You're safe, hard in, but I found it, homie, been cracked. Hey yo, we been back. Your band stacking, see you flexing with the thin stack. Hey bitch, you been whacked. I kill 'em all, feel a motherfucking impact. Yo, this a war zone, homie, say you ready and prepared. Take a minute, make them aware. Well, I'll be sneaking in the back, but it's what the clap, homie, life ain't fair.
Welcome, welcome, welcome. Welcome to Breakfast with Bladez. Hello there. Yes. Today is levels v points. Yes, we're talking about statistics and role-playing games. So, statistics state that I haven't got everything showing here. Let's have a look at my stream manager. Oh, thank you. We're online. Yeah, that's looking good. So, levels versus points, eh? What can we say to that? No idea what the hell's going on here. Right. Levels versus points. What do we have? We have Dungeons and Dragons, which was levels. That was a bunch of statistics to go by. Can't remember now what the levels went up to. Pretty high level anyway. Point systems, you've got RuneQuest, you've got GURPS. I believe you even have Marvel Comics Heroes as well, stuff like that. That's going back a long way. Dragon Quest, another great game. There's quite a few. There's quite a few role-playing games went with the idea of points. Why? And what's the problem with points? And why do all of the games that we see online use levels? Levels give you a goal to reach for, a reality of increasing in power, being a higher level than somebody else. Human nature dictates psychologically that levels sell games. Points don't. Points can be too realistic. They can make you a bit squishy. For game makers, it's harder to balance, supposedly, because they don't do the research properly. I mean, look at the problems with World of Warships. Games like that. Balancing. Unbelievable. I can't understand how they have such a bad time balancing these games. It's very, very simple to do. But anyway, that's beside the point. I'm not making those games, I'm making Rogue. And Rogue is a level-based system, because it's easy to go with the dungeon levels and the level of character. At the time, Dungeons and Dragons was really the only official role-playing game out there at the time, in the 80s. There really wasn't much else except for RuneQuest, and RuneQuest really wasn't that popular. There was bunnies and burrows, but that's a bit more of a joke. Good game though. Damn good game. Good party game. So, really, Rogue was designed based on D&D, Dungeons and Dragons. First edition. which I have a copy of somewhere around here. Bet that one's expensive to buy nowadays. The 1976 original edition in the small A5 books. I've got it somewhere around here, with deities and demigods as well. Good set, good set. Don't know where it is, like. Why am I going for points and not levels? Because levels you cannot balance. It's impossible to balance any level in game. Alright, okay. Is somebody donating to me? Okay. Horror shock there. I thought somebody was going to donate to me then. On that mention, I was yesterday in touch with my person at Amber Skies, and they have a Mac, an Apple Mac. Purchase price is $750. They're going to see if they can do me a deal. So I'll find out next week. If I can get subscriptions on here, then I have no doubt I'll be able to afford it. Well, my people will be able to afford it. But otherwise, I don't think I'm going to stick a chance at this. We'll see. We'll see how it goes. I doubt they can just give it now, because I don't actually do anything for them at the moment. Ah dear. Never mind. Okay. Just reading through my emails that just came in. That's correct. Alright. Bye. Stuff that. Never mind, that's PayPal for you. I've just been making inquiries with PayPal if they would like to finance the purchase of a computer, and the answer is nope. There you go. Mind you, that's probably because I don't have any money, so there you go. Good start to the day, wasn't it? Oh, look at the boy. Thank you for the follow. Huang Shen Long. Thank you for the follow. I'm impressed. I'm getting follows. I don't know why. But anyway, I hope that that helps. What else have I been doing? I have... Let's have a look. Let's just have a look around. So, yeah, point system to me is easy to balance. Give you a balanced game, and also better in that it doesn't overpower the player at any point in time. You can not restrain, but you can... Well, you can't even withhold. What happens in the GURPS system is that the character will definitely grow in power, and you use character points to balance the game. So you have a character points total, like a score, and that is how powerful you are. So at 20 points you are a beginner hero type of thing. No, 100 points you are a great hero. Above that you're just Superman. Really, you're superhuman. So you can think of it like a percentage, really, of being the road to being the greatest hero type of thing. Sea Lion has had an update, so I sent them some feedback. We're now on version 2 for 2020. And I told them that I wanted the ability to view assembler language. I actually didn't look to see whether they gave it us. It's got evaluate expression. Let's see what we can do anyway. I've been adding some resources into the models. So there's going to be a few more ASCII models. Did you remember that at was 64? Guess what A is? 65. Think about it. Why did they choose capital letters? A to Z. That's why. There we go. We've got all the models for the monsters and the player. Let's have a look in here. Let's load up the file. So it will be run. We've got an if statement to look at. No, we haven't. Let's get an if statement to look at, because that's what I was talking about, wasn't it, the other day? Run. Debug. That didn't work. Run. Debug. Oh, Sunweb, yeah. Thank you. Okay, welcome to Rogue. We can get real out in there, can't we? Variables, memory view, nothing. So I can see all of this lot. What we got here? Duplicate watch. Thread. Debugger console. Everything's working there. Evaluate expression. Oh, I see. Yes. I know what that is. Clever. Show memory view in editor. There's nothing. Nothing in there. So nothing there. Anything in tools? Stack trace? No, not really. There's no compilation database. Oh, that is still sad, but never mind. It's the only thing that is stopping me from, you know, like giving them my money today type of thing. Is the fact that I can't find a way. Code. Folding, reformat, inspect, clean up. View. Nothing. Oh, they've upgraded the gate. I know that. That bit's ace. Nothing in code, nothing in navigate, is there? Not that I can see anyway. Refactor build. Install, right, okay. Profile. We haven't done a profile yet. Edit configurations. No, that's not it. Nope. Nothing in that. We haven't done test files yet. And we haven't got code coverage yet. Doesn't look like it then. Nope. Not really then. That's a shame. Run anything else on here that I've actually missed? Redirect inputs. Doesn't seem to be anything here, really. Build. No, edit on build. No, I can't see anything. Oh well, we've got a few more things up here. Got more Git things up here, got all the Git stuff up here now. But look at this. I can now see the master branch up on GitHub. Look, first monster and play. I can actually check what it is. Where mine's got the first monster and play placements and monster manual. Yes, I've done a monster manual. You might have noticed in models, we now have a monster manual. Da, da, da. So that is monster manual update to dev 0.1. We can commit that. And I think that is push. It is. That's a lot easier. I would like to thank them for that. That's made my life a lot easier. So, no, I still can't look at that in assembler code. Generate. I'd have to use external tools, wouldn't I? Unless there is a generate for this. Can't see what it says actually. I just think that's like try catch, isn't it? Okay, there's nothing there. Whoops. So what does generate do? Override functions, implementations. Implement functions, nope. Nothing on that menu. So I am stuck. Let me just remove that chat. Okay. No. That's a shame. I don't think there's anything on database because we haven't got one running. Right, nothing around there. It does give the structure though. I do like that. The ability to do that. Commits are good. Projects are good. Pull requests. Oh, that's pull requests now, is it? Nice. Log in to view pull requests. That's nice. Logmaster console. Yeah. Fantastic. Everything looks really good. Yeah. There's nothing I can complain about. It does exactly what it says it does. Oh well. I've still got 16 of these to do yet. I think we're doing combat next, aren't we? Pith. Poison, injury, illness and fatigue. Yes. Alright, melee attacks. When you take a maneuver that lets you make a melee attack, you must specify who you are attacking and with what weapon. So I agree, yes, that can... Oh, this enum, yes, that has to move as well, doesn't it? Okay. And then all we've got left then is this pith. It's talking about this enum here. It doesn't come into play until we have items. So that's okay. Otherwise, I think we're going to be alright. I think we've done really well. Just that one bit like, I want to be able to see what the compiler does for that loop. And I can't build it into assembler here. I've only got Doxy Wizard. I might have to put an external tool in. I need a tool to compile and display object files. Right. Okay, so I know what I need before I can show you this. That's fine. I'm happy. And then I can just add it to this bunch of things. What's this about? Yeah. Fine, whatever. It's their problem. They'll do a patch probably within the next week or two, so I'm not really bothered about any errors. Right, I think we're done. Any questions? Let's have a look. See if we've got any. Nope, no questions. So, that's great. We have been going now 26 minutes. 4 minutes left to ask any questions if you want any. Let's just have a look what's going on around the universe. And looking good. So I would like to thank you all. We are going to be using a point system and not a level system. Level systems give players too much comfort room at higher levels. Point systems don't, and I want to keep it that way. I don't want realistic, but I want semi-realistic, if that makes sense. I still want the mythical fantasy stuff like magic and all the rest of it, but I don't want like having to have so many hit points so you can go down a level so you can deal with the next set of monsters. I don't want that to be a part of the game. You can either press on or not. You know, build resources or press on. I think that's how I'd like the game to be played. And on that note, the session is coming to an end. So I would like to thank everybody who wants to pop in on this. And I hope you have a good day. I'll be back in a couple of hours. Literally a couple of hours. And take care. Now how do I do this? Where's that button? Okay, found stop button. Excellent.